Assalamu alaikum students. I am Ms. Nudrit and I welcome you all to Social Studies class. This is lecture number 1 of week number 11 OSP round 2 and our lesson is our government. The resources that you will need to complete the assignment of week 11 are textbook, worksheet number 7, pen and loose sheets. So before starting our today's lesson, I would like to tell you that by the end of week 11, you will be able to learn and understand the structure and function of government of Pakistan. Task of week 11. In this week, you will do the reading of page number 57, 58 and 59. Learn and write 10 vocabulary words on loose sheets with their meanings. Do question number 1, 2 and 3 of content review page number 61. Please notice that page number 60 is excluded from your assignment. And do not forget to do worksheet number 7. Government. What is a government? The group of people and institution with authority to govern a state or country. Our government. Pakistan is a democracy. That means Pakistan is a democratic state. This means that we elect the people whom we want to form the government. For this purpose, elections are held every 5 years. Different political parties contest the elections. We vote for the members of national and provincial assemblies. The elected members of National Assembly then form the national or federal government. Federal government. What is a federal government? A federal government is a system of government that divides the power between a larger central government, local and regional governments beneath it. Why do we need a federal government? Here you can see a map of Pakistan. We have 5 provinces. It would be difficult to govern such a huge area with so many people living in it as one whole unit. Therefore, each province has its own government to deal with its internal affairs and to administer the provincial affairs as well. All the provincial governments are responsible to the federal government. Now, what are the responsibilities of a federal government? The federal government looks after the finance, defense, communication, and foreign affairs of a country. It does not interfere in the affairs of the provincial government. Structure of federal government. In a country with federal system of government, elections are held by government. Like in Pakistan, every 5 years. So general public vote for the members of National Assembly. Then the elected members make up the National Assembly. In Pakistan, there are total 342 members in our National Assembly. National Assembly is known as the lower house and the members are known as MNAs. In the same way, general public vote for the members of Provincial Assembly and the elected members make up the Provincial Assemblies and the members are known as MPAs. Wait a second. If National Assembly is the lower house, so which is the upper house? So MPAs and the MNAs both vote and elect the senators. The upper house. Senate is the upper house of our parliament and there are total 104 members in our Senate. National Assembly, the lower house, Senate, the upper house and Provincial Assembly. 3 of them collectively make up our parliament. President. Who is the president? President is head of state and president is elected by MNAs and MPAs. And our president is Arif Alvi. Prime Minister. Prime Minister, the leader of the ruling party. In Pakistan, our Prime Minister is Imran Khan. Opposition leader. The member of all the other parties remain in opposition and choose a member to be leader of opposition. Shehbaz Sharif is opposition leader in Pakistan. Speaker and deputy speaker. MNAs select Speaker and Deputy Speakers. In Pakistan, Asad Kaisar is the Speaker and Qasim Suri is the Deputy Speaker. It is their responsibility to maintain order while assembly sessions are held and the MNAs debate different issues or policy matters. Wait a second. Why I'm using two words, elect and select? When I'm saying elect, that means people vote for that person. And when I say select, that means people choose that person. Now here you can see a picture of our parliament. And here you can see picture of our president Arif Alvi. Here is a picture of Prime Minister Imran Khan, opposition leader Shehbaz Sharif, our speaker Asad Kaisar, and our deputy speaker Qasim Suri. So it's time for wrap up. What is a government? Group of people or institution that run a state. Federal government. It is a system of government where power is divided at different levels but under a strong central government. Structure of federal government. In federal government, people elect the MNAs and the MPAs. Then MNAs and MPAs, they elect the president and prime minister is the head of ruling party. Then the MNAs and MNAs, they elect the speaker and the deputy speaker. So this was all for today. Students, do not forget to read page number 57, 58 and 59. You have to write 10 vocabulary words on loose sheets with their meanings. Do question number 1, 2, 3 of content review page number 61. And do not forget to do the worksheet number 7. Thank you.